Hi everyone, good afternoon. Have you ever wondered how to fix your Indesit door when it goes off? Most builders sort of forget to put this in there, so you tend to struggle on how to fix the door if it falls off. So you can buy the kit. I know it's obsolete now, but you can still find it on some dishwasher spare websites, or if not eBay. If you type your machine in, you should be able to buy it. It's come with that. We've put one of it already, so it should come with two, with how to measure it. So basically you're supposed to put the paper on it to get your hole where it goes, and then on the other side do the same here, depending on the dimension of your cabinet door. So ours, this is a 598, so 59.8, hence where we were using the last measurement there. As you can see, sometimes the manual doesn't really come well, so you just have to measure it yourself and put it in. The same on that side, it's cut off a bit, but yeah, we'll use that. It comes with lots of screws. If you haven't got the screw that was holding your cabinet door previously, you should be able to use the new ones. But for now, we're using these ones that have come with the tool. We might end up not using these ones because we have our spare ones. So we'll show you how to fix it to the door once we've done this on it. Yeah, be back. I think most builders didn't do this correctly, simply because the door had come with prefabbed holes, which didn't fit whatever they wanted to do. So that's why they've left it. And most people will have the same issue with doors, especially Indesit dishwasher. So you've got to buy that. It comes, that way, and you can get your correct measurement. So when you finish doing that on the cabinet, this should actually fit in this way into your cabinet. It should be able to go into that, and that should make, allow the door to have some sturdy effect. Obviously, don't forget the gum that goes around there. You don't need to use a drill to do that. Just use your screwdriver, just like the datasheet shows. I would attach the datasheet up here. You see that? Obviously, we've had to repair where the screws were prior, so hopefully this holds. But I believe this should fix the problem. So it's supposed to go from down, up, yeah? So basically like that. Swing it into that hole, and then you push it up, and that should be able to hold it in. Seen this work so good, never seen it work. It's never ever fit like this. So that's what was always missing. So if you ever have this, that's what you need to do to get your dishwasher stable. Now we've got to then put the remaining screws in to hold it, but this is just a perfect fit. I don't know why they didn't do it correctly. Just check your dishwashers if you ever have that problem. Another kangaroo job. So after you get the door in, unfortunately the cabinet from the side is so far out, there's no way the door can slide past, so we're having to chisel out a bit just to make it work. Sometimes wears. That's how much we've had to chisel out, just so that it would have a flush. It will sit flush basically, because the door wouldn't go all the way. Kangaroo boy is doing some rubbish job. Yeah. Finally sits flush. I tell you, we've had to chisel out that side so that it will go in. I don't know how we've managed to live with this. Yeah, we're here now. So it's time to screw in the bits that are left of them. There's one there, one here, and then on the other side as well. Obviously, it's a two-man job because somebody has to hold it while it's being screwed in. You've just got to make sure not to use a drill machine. Use your normal screwdrivers because it will be, the drill machine will be, the pressure from that will be too much for it, for the wood. Obviously,